Hello, my name is Grace Ng. I'm a Jin Shin Jyutsu energy healer, voice teacher, and a clinical hypnotherapist. Today I'm going to give you 3-step Jin Shin Jyutsu healing recipe that can be used for any physical, mental, or emotional project for yourself and for others. It's so simple that even kids can do. In Jin Shin Jyutsu, every project is caused by disruption to the flow of energy. Get the energy moving and get the project moving. Every Jin Shin Jyutsu practitioner has a preferred way of doing things, and no one's right or wrong. My first step is holding the little finger. Hold the little finger on the right and the left for 20 minutes each. There is no set way of holding the little finger. Hold it any way that is comfortable for you or for the person that you are working on. Holding the little finger helps to remove the effect of overwork and overstimulation on the body. In the Singaporean and Malaysian Chinese healing belief system, holding the little finger helps remove heatiness to allow the body to heal. Repeat 8 hourly or as required. The second step is holding the index finger. Hold the right and the left index finger for 20 minutes each. Repeat 8 hourly or as required. Holding the index finger helps with reducing the effect of stress and anxiety on the muscles and the endocrine system, aiding the body to self-heal. The third step is holding the middle finger. Holding the middle finger helps to reorganize the body's energetic system so that everything comes back into order once again. Holding the middle finger is also great for memory projects, eye projects, blood projects, and for anger management. Hold the right and the left middle finger for 20 minutes each, repeating 8 hourly or as required. Thank you for watching. Please note that Jin Shin Jyutsu is a complementary wellness therapy. Please seek medical help if you need it. Happy healing.